Hello, my name is Erin, and I am going to go over the Enhancement 2 project for the week. And so I'm going to be pulling my queries that I have in my text file in NetBeans over to the website where I'll be testing it. So first I'm going to go to my Clients tab, and let's put in the first query. And this, we are inputting the new client information. So we'll hit go. And we see we have, this is the query that I put in. Let's check on the clients table. And yes, I have a new client put in, Tony Stark. He's client number 4, because I've done this a couple of times, but I wanted to clean it up a little bit. So the next query I'm going to run is where I want to update my client. And if we go back before I run that, just to be sure, he's on client level 1. So we'll put in my next query, go. So we updated his client level to number 3. Let's double check that. Yep, that's been updated. Next, we're going to the inventory table and wanting to change where it has nylon rope, we're changing it to climbing rope. So we're putting in we're updating. And go. And we're going to now check it. And it has been updated to climbing rope. So that worked wonderfully. Now, our next query is where we're going to join, and we're wanting the miscellaneous items from the table. So here we go, and here they are all together in a nice happy spot. And the last one is deleting. We want to delete the car and yes, we do want to delete it. So now we're going to look on our inventory and oh shoot, number 7's not there anymore. So it worked. Thanks.